Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Driven Dave here. I've got phone mount for car. Nothing but the finest for me. I can't remember what brand this is. I got it on Amazon. And as you can see, it is still sealed and made in China. So there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and pop a link down in the description for this. And also the name of it, which I just don't remember, but it's phone mount for car. Ask for it by name. We're going to open it up and go through the install process and see how it is. I guess it's the FBB phone mount, question mark. So we're going to discover this together. I used to always swear by the IoT, whatever. And although I like that one very much, it was tending to leave kind of like the suction cup would leave like pretty nasty, whatchamacallit, you know, like a suction cup residue on my windshield after, you know, a year or two. And so I wanted to try a different brand, try something with like a different suction cup style. So it looks like they give you a couple of options. This looks like the vent clip mount, I think. Let me take it out. Again, this is hard one-handed, so I apologize for the shaky camera work. Yeah, this looks like a vent mount, pretty sure. And get a load of that. We're in my 2022 Tesla Model 3 long range, so I don't think we're going to be using the vent mount. And I prefer using the suction cup. So it actually does come with a little wipe. So it's like a two-step kind of deal. It looks like they also give you this little suction pad that you can put on your dash. Looks like it comes with some 3M adhesive. That's nice. I'm impressed with that. Not going to be using that, however. Let's talk about the base of this bad boy. Oh, there we go. Again, one-handed. It's got a nice carbon fiber look. It's just plastic, but it looks like carbon fiber, and that's nice. And ooh, look at it go. Cool. And then I guess you just kind of, yep, squeeze it around the phone. There's a little button here that you press that releases it. Oh, I guess, yeah, that's cool. I like that. Hello, people walking by. So let's check it out. There are probably instructions, but who needs them? I'm not going to be using the glass cleaner wipes just because I literally just washed my windshield like right before filming this. So I think we're good. So we're just going to throw this sucker on. And much like the IoT, whatever, it's pretty much the same design. It's got a little thingy you push down there. So the first thing you want to do, I'm going to go ahead and, looks like you just unscrew that a little bit. And you can't see what I'm doing. Again, terrible camera work, but there. We'll just kind of put it together there, and you just tighten this down in place. So the first thing I like to do once I assemble the unit is I want to kind of test fit it and put everything kind of where I see myself wanting the phone. So we're going to just kind of mess around with that. And I kind of want to have it near my infotainment. You know, that's kind of my idea here. And I'm not sure. Oh, good. It looks like it is retractable or extendable, however you want to think of it. You can do this upside, you know, suction cup can go either way. So I'm probably going to go with this kind of angle. Just don't know quite where I want it just yet. Oops, man, it really wants to stick even with the, that's cool. I may do, what looks good? And the nice thing about the suction cup is you can move it. It's not like you're, you know, married to that position forever. I may just put it here, you know, just kind of central. If you can see, yeah, about there. And yeah, it's just difficult in this car because of the angle of the windshield. So I'm going to start with it there. Let's see what happens. Again, you can move it, and these aren't very expensive. If I totally screw it up, it's not a huge problem. So, although I don't like wasting my money, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that little clear covering there, and I just kind of want to I'm just gonna go right in the middle there. We just kind of press down and ka-chunk, and that's it. And then just get this, so I already don't like this position, but I'm gonna try living with it and see if it works. Yeah, we'll give it a shot, see what happens. I'm probably gonna move it, I can almost guarantee you, but hey, it's a start. So I hope that was helpful. If you just bought one of these, hopefully that helps you install it. And if you're thinking about getting it, do me a favor, link in the description, buy from me, Amazon associate. I'd really appreciate it. You know, every little bit helps. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel thus far, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, comment, like, all of that stuff really, really helps. And I really appreciate all my returning viewers and anyone who's new as well. So join us, lots more content coming soon. More product reviews, more car reviews, track tests, all kinds of stuff. And hopefully many more exciting things to come very, very soon. So until next time, thank you for watching. Stay driven.
Perfect.